In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms from a template inside Pandadoc. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Pandadoc website. Pandadoc is a fantastic platform that makes document management much easier by allowing you to create, approve, track, and e-sign documents up to 40% faster. It's quite a time saver for anyone dealing with a lot of paperwork. Alright, once you're on the Pandadoc homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. But assuming you're all set up, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in, you should be directed to the Pandadoc home screen. Now, from the home screen, our next step is to head over to the Templates section. To do that, look at the navigation pane on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Templates. Click on that, and you'll be taken to an area where you can manage your existing templates or create new ones. Next, you should see a button to create templates. Click on this button if your goal is to craft a new template from scratch. However, since we're focused on creating a form from an existing template, you'll likely want to browse through the list of templates that are already available. Once you've found a suitable template that you want to use as the basis for your form, hover over it, and you'll see a three-dot icon appear near it. Click on that three-dot icon to reveal more options related to this specific template. From the options that appear, you'll want to click on Create Form. This action allows you to turn the selected template into a form seamlessly. The beauty of Pandadoc is that it simplifies the process of form creation, allowing you to customize fields and set up your form just the way you need it. Once you've completed this, your form is essentially ready to go. You can now send it out for signatures, saving you time and ensuring all your documentation requirements are met efficiently. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to creating forms from a template inside Pandadoc. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and it's sure to enhance your productivity by streamlining your document management tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to tune in for more practical tips and tricks to make your document handling a breeze.